Unlocking the meaning of workshop conclusion. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning accessible and fun for you. Today, we have an interesting topic to explore: workshop conclusion. We'll dive into what this phrase means, its significance, and how you can effectively use it in various contexts. Whether you're attending a workshop or planning to conduct one, understanding this term will definitely enhance your experience. So, let's get started. The term workshop conclusion refers to the final part or segment of a workshop. Workshops are interactive sessions focused on teaching or exploring specific topics in a detailed manner. They can be about anything, from writing and painting to more technical subjects like coding or data analysis. The conclusion of a workshop, therefore, is that pivotal moment where everything that has been discussed, learned, or practiced is summarized, and the session is officially brought to an end. In this section, we'll break down the components of a workshop conclusion. Summary of key points. A good conclusion starts with a brief recap of the most important lessons, skills, or knowledge shared during the workshop. Q&A session. Often, there's a final opportunity for participants to ask questions or clarify their doubts. Feedback collection. Workshop facilitators might seek feedback from participants to understand what worked well and what could be improved for future sessions. Future directions. Sometimes, the conclusion might include suggestions for further learning or upcoming workshops on related topics. Understanding these components helps participants know what to expect as a workshop draws to a close and allows facilitators to plan their concluding remarks effectively. The conclusion of a workshop is not just a formality, it serves several key purposes. 1. Reinforcement of learning. By summarizing the main points, participants are reminded of what they've learned, helping to reinforce this knowledge. 2. Clarification. The Q&A session ensures that participants leave with no unresolved questions, making their learning experience complete. 3. Feedback for improvement. Gathering feedback is crucial for facilitators to improve future workshops, making each one better than the last. 4. Encouragement for continued learning. Suggestions for further learning can inspire participants to continue exploring the topic on their own. A well-crafted workshop conclusion can significantly enhance the overall learning experience, making it memorable and impactful for participants. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and structure of a workshop conclusion. Remember, whether you're a participant eager to learn or a facilitator aiming to deliver an engaging workshop, understanding how to effectively conclude a session can make a big difference in the learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in our next video.